Disconnect machine from water supply and connect washer fluid reservoir. Fill reservoir with wiper fluid solution. Turn on the machine to start the solution flow. Note: fluid reservoir may need to be above the level of the pump. Flow on the ground until solution appears. Direct the flow back into reservoir, cycling the trigger a few times. Shut off the machine and solution supply. For machines with a float tank, use in place of reservoir. See winterizing procedures under Tech Tips for more info and reservoir parts.